All right. Welcome back, everyone. Mr. Nelson, Monday, April 6th. And just a little follow-up from last week. Today's a blue day, a science e-learning day. If you expand the calendar, you can see we meet again Wednesday the 8th, and then not till next week, Wednesday. You have like a week off. See all the future blue days. You could open up the calendar, look back at what we had done last week, previous blue days. And there's just a couple things to check in on today. It's a continuation of what you did Friday. In the updates section, I post all the agendas. You can look back at what we were doing Friday, exploring content from section 17.2 to 17.5 about properties of stars as they compare to our sun, and we graph those properties on the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram called the HR diagram. And today you're actually going to complete that lab that you began exploring Friday. So I have a very simple agenda. Just review what you did from Friday. Continue to take notes. All notes that you have can be used for open note quizzes. And our first quiz is going to be Wednesday. So take good notes. Here's a link to the lab. Open that up. There's a link to the investigation guide. Now, not everybody can print this investigation guide, and that's okay. If you can't print at home, just keep it open and do your work in your notes. You're only responding to questions 4 to 14 today. So when you open the investigation guide, it's a 14-question guide. The first 3 questions are a little tricky, and what I'm going to do is ask you to skip those. You can go back to them later. You can try them, but if you skip them for now, for today, I will post a little video tutorial about those questions in addition to other material that might be confusing today. You're going to probably have quite a few questions. Some of it you're going to understand, but there's a couple tricky things. And when you get stuck, reference chapter 17. It will help you greatly. And finally, once you're done with the lab, that's going to take you, 40 minutes or so. I just want to see a post of at least one question that you had in the discussion today. Post a question, any question. Reference the number, like number question 6, 8, anything from 4 to 14. Reference the question number from the lab investigation. What is your question? Just state the question. If you have multiple questions, state them all, but at least one. And a quick reminder, you may need to expand this to see, today's an e-learning day, and you can see the prompts. As always, guys, hey, send in well wishes, stay strong, and until next time, all the best. Bye-bye.